Hello everyone, welcome. Looking for the best Minecraft server hosting in this year? Whether you're building with friends or launching a huge public server, the right host makes all the difference. In this video, I will break down the top server hosting options based on price, performance, support and ease of setup, so you don't waste your time or money. So firstly, let us discuss why hosting matters. Hosting your Minecraft world on the right platform means no lag, better mod support, 24/7 uptime and full control over gameplay. But not all hosts are created equal, some overcharge, some throttle performance and others make setup a nightmare. So the first one we have is Apex Hosting. If you're new to server hosting, Apex Hosting is beginner friendly and fast. One-click installs for mod packs, great DDoS protection and 24/7 support. Plans start at around $750 a month. It's ideal for small to medium service. Now the next one is Shockbyte. So a long-time favorite for budget hosting. Shockbyte offers strong performance with plans starting under $3 a month. It supports Java and Bedrock editions, and it's great for modded Minecraft, though support response times may vary. The next one is ScalaTube. So this one, if you want a pre-configured server, is great with less hassle as well. ScalaTube auto installs Forge, Bucket or Spigot. You get a free web hosting add-on and control panel. Prices start from $250 a month, but keep an eye on renewal pricing. Also, in terms of honorable mentions, we have Bisect Hosting for premium performance and support, GG Service for affordability with solid features, and Nodecraft for a beautiful UI and easy mobile control. So guys, in general, when choosing, focus on server locations close to your players, easy mod and plugin support, active uptime monitoring, responsive customer support, transparent pricing as well, no hidden renewal fees. So that's it, the best Minecraft server hosting options for this year. If one of these tools is right for you, you can also check out the description for the links, and if you have a favorite, let us know. Guys, if you enjoyed the video, press thumbs up and subscribe. See you in the next one.